University Institute of Engineering and Technology, or UIT, is the largest and constituent institute of Punjab University. Established in the year 2002, it is one of the most sought-after institutes in the field of engineering. It is located in Sector 25 Chandigarh with an area of 10.5 acres with lush greenery. With 2,500 students and placement packages from 7.5 lakhs to 11 lakhs, this institute offers world-class engineers with the potential to invent and innovate. UIT offers undergraduate, postgraduate, as well as doctoral courses. Various branches include computer science engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and communication engineering, information technology engineering, mechanical engineering, biotechnology, applied sciences, and applied management.
60% of the students take up jobs after they complete their undergraduate program in UIT. So we have companies like Arisent, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, Oceaneering, SML, Isuzu coming to UIT. And the highest pay package which was offered to our students this year was 11 lakhs from Indian Oil Corporation, and average pay package is 3.75 lakhs. 20% of our students go for higher education. They either go for doing masters or MBA in India or abroad, and 5 to 10% of our students want to take risk and go for being entrepreneurs. At UIT, we encourage faculty and students to undertake meaningful research, and faculty has undertaken projects from various funding agencies like DST, DBT, AICT, and they are motivated to publish paper in quality journals. Students are also encouraged to present their papers in good conferences, and I'm sure in times to come UIT will be a premier institute so far as teaching and research is concerned in India as well as abroad.
The faculty is from science and engineering backgrounds. Different fields and expertise are there, and we have 5 labs and 1 research cum instrument lab, 6 labs in total. And one of our faculty members have got a major grant, Welcome Trust grant of 1.5 crore rupees lately.
The important thing about the department is our students, they are motivated to participate in the co-curricular activities, and they go for self-learning as well as peer learning, which is a kind of novelty about our department. And the research is another strength of the department. We have got maximum research scholars presently doing research in the area of image and signal processing, whether it is data mining, web mining, natural language processing, computer networks, cloud computing, grid computing. Similarly, there are other areas which are wireless and ad hoc networks, software engineering. These are few areas which I have just mentioned.
Our endeavor is to have up-to-date curriculum and pedagogy in IT discipline so as to have a solid foundation for the students so as to improve their problem-solving skills. The curriculum is designed in consultation with the feedback got from corporate world and as well as our alumni. IT department can boast of its good placement record with the highest number of students being placed this year out of all the branches of UIT.
The department has been selected as a SETNET partner by the NICE Gurgaon under the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy to train the manpower in the solar energy.
UIT has 58 labs, SBI Bank, conference room, seminar hall, server room, canteen, basketball court, 11 kV indoor substation, and many workshops within the campus. The UIT library has around 18,000 printed books, digital library with thousands of research journals, lakhs of articles, free e-books, and is one of the first department libraries to implement Cilium 21 software, which is a department module of the software installed in the main AC Joshi building.
The infrastructure is very good. And if we see labs labs are also excellent. Apparatus is good. Not to forget our teachers or faculty, it's very commendable and very hardworking. And if we talk about placements in our batch especially, placements were really very good, and I think about 90% of students, they have been placed in very good companies like Zscaler, Ericsson, Deloitte, etc. So at the end, I can say that we are proud to be a UITian.
We have received an award from the Society of Automobile Engineering, that is SAE from New Delhi. All shops of the workshop are equipped with latest equipment. Recently we have received one radial milling machine. We have the dynamometers also. In the advanced manufacturing lab we have a EDA machine. We have surface testing, roughness tester. We have all metrology equipment. We have the microscopes also.
Our students are actively involved in projects in the final year, in the 7th and 8th semester. In the past, we have developed projects like low-cost Braille printer, which is developed with the help of the final year students and the faculty supervisor. We have even applied for a patent for this low-cost Braille printer.
We have a faculty of around 22. All of them are mostly PhD, and they are doing fine work in teaching as well as in research. And they have published a lot of papers in very reputed journals and maintain a very high impact in the field of science. Mostly we are concentrating our research work in the applied areas of science, where we can really collaborate with the engineering faculty to make up some complete engineering problems.
Since its opening, UIT has been dedicated to the effort of preparing students for leadership in the complex and competitive world. Offering highly regarded programs, the institute endeavors to produce trained quality manpower in the emerging areas of engineering and technology.